Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So just quick end of the day update here. Today not much happened. We had a bit of consolidation. I think tomorrow we may get some more news about that debt ceiling in the US. I think Wednesday is a vote, or maybe tomorrow. I need to double check that. But we could certainly see some interesting movement and volatility today and Wednesday because of that. Yeah, as I said before, Ethereum broke out of the descending wedge. Certainly more upside here possible. We are now, however, in standard resistance, and let's take a look at the short-term bullish and short-term bearish scenario. However, be aware that both of these, even the short-term bearish one, is embedded in a larger degree bullish scenario. Yeah, so I'm not a perma bear or something. The idea is that we are here in a wave 2 correction in the short-term bearish one, that this is not yet complete, but that a third wave rally into the $3,000 region could occur as soon as we complete the correction. In the short-term bullish scenario, we already completed the correction here when we touched our trend reversal area on the 12th of May. Short-term bearish, we start with that. We had a WXY structure to the downside. We are now in the Y wave. We have an A, B, C structure. It's fairly common for crypto, especially in a situation where we don't have a clear bottoming structure. So if we zoom in and we say, okay, we are now in this B wave. In the B wave, we had an A wave to the upside, a B wave to the downside. This could be a C wave to the upside. The B wave came quite deep, so I'm sort of in favor of the short-term bearish scenario, because in the short-term bullish one, this would be a 1-2 setup, but then the wave 2 came down a little bit too deep. Again, it's not invalid, it's just a bit of experience and likelihood. So for me, it's rather an AB, and then with the C wave to the upside now. However, in the C wave, I would like to see at least one more high, maybe two, but ideally one more high. Again, it doesn't need it. It's just likely, okay? But bear in mind, this is sort of the microstructure, and that's often not reliable, especially in crypto. But still, to give you an idea of the roadmap here, I would like to see one more high, and that is, in my opinion, likely as long as we are not breaking below that wave 1 high here, because then we have invalidation. If that wave 4 goes into the wave 1 price region, that's at 1859. As long as we're holding that, there is a chance for at least one more high here in the C wave. Okay, so we are in resistance anyway. We have resistance at 1913 and 1961. These are certainly levels of interest, and if we break above 1961, then here next key resistance structurally is at $2,020. I mean, $2,000 will be anyway an important structural resistance level psychologically as well. So this is the short-term bearish count, can still push higher in the structure. In the short-term bullish one, we had a wave 1 here, a wave 2. This is a wave 3. For a wave 3, I would certainly like to see one more wave up. So if we break down now, it's more likely that the B wave is over and we are in the short-term bearish count. But if we get one more leg up, it would also, in addition, still allow the more bullish count to work out. 1, 2, then here a third wave. But to have a reliable third wave, again, I would like to see one more high, maybe to 1961 or a bit higher. Then we should get a 4 and a 5 in the short-term bullish count. That means if we only see 3 waves up, this would be confirmation for the short-term bearish count. If I get 5, I would change my view. Would have to say, okay, we have evidence now that we have bottomed, because at the moment I have no evidence, okay? And analysis always has to be based on evidence, so we can acknowledge the potential, but everything else would be a guess. I need to confirm that we've bottomed. I need to see the 5 waves up, and ideally a subsequent 3 wave move down, making a higher low, having a new trade setup, and then we can rally. Yeah, and this high B wave or B wave is basically valid until $2,020. So in an ideal world, we see in a bullish scenario 5 waves up above $2,020. Let's see if we get it. As soon as if we get one more wave up there, yeah, in this structure here, then we have a possible ABC structure complete, or 1, 2, 3 complete, and I will then provide support for a possible 4th wave. And if we hold that support, we can get a 5th, and if we have 5 waves, we can say we've bottomed. So hopefully that is clear. That's my view about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.